Hey friends, if you wish to get help with Notepad on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, the reason people are asking this question is because when they open Notepad, they won't find the help or question mark symbol anywhere, nor in the file, nor in the edit, nor in the view tab. So, you do not need it actually. You can simply search for get help in the search bar and then go to the get help page, and then you can wait till it loads. It is slow to load because it has a lot of database behind it. And then you can search for your question like how to save a file in Notepad. Okay, simply search for that and you will get access to self-help articles. Now, Notepad does not have a specific troubleshooter because it's not required for this kind of an application, but you can still use it. So here's the answer: how to save a file in Notepad. Okay, that's how you can use Get Help. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.